Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, today Sanket Bhai and Pappan sir has taken a session in which they try to cover each and every question, answer of every question which is arising nowadays in the mind of CMA student. I'm hoping that you have already watched the session, but in this video I will try to cover the all the points in a crux manner. So first of all, first point for those CMA foundation inter and final student recently taken the admission and they are waiting for the hard copy of study material. So guys, it will take some more time. Better than you continue your study, download all the study material in PDF format from institute sites. So now guys, what about for re-verification result? Lot many student has applied for re-verification result and they are waiting eagerly for the re-verification result. So guys, re-verification result will take some more time. So guys, more than 15,000 people applied for re-verification result, and this pandemic has also affected the officials of institute. So still re-verification result will take some more time. My suggestion, I have already suggested to those students, do not wait for re-verification, continue your study and fill your exam form. And what about as you know that lot many students need to pay the remaining group fees through demand draft, and yes, due to lockdown they are unable to process. So yes, most possibility the exam form date will extend, okay, but my suggestion to those students who can apply, so do not wait for the extension. Now talk about the suggested answer. When will Jan 21 suggested answer upload, so that July 21 student and December 21 student can also get some benefit? So guys, Jan 21 suggested answer will upload after the result declaration of re-verification result. So yes, it will take some more time, but apart from this I have already prepared all Jan 20 inter and finals, you can see paper pattern, so you can watch the paper pattern, okay. Till then you officially receive the suggested answer of Jan 21 exam for inter and final student. Now what about the exam will take online or offline or center based or home based? So guys, mostly probability in one of my earlier video, lot many videos I have discussed that yes, mostly the exam will take place as online, but still we have to wait for whether it will be take place as online, center based or home based. Still we have to wait for this information, okay. But mostly the exam will take place as online. You can also see the situation, you can also see the pandemic situations, okay. Now what about the you can say that the paper pattern. So guys, for foundation student, paper pattern will remain same as December 20 exam, but we will see there will be some improvement for inter and final student. Mostly you can say that the paper pattern will remain same, but there will be some more improvement in for inter and final. Foundation student, the exam paper pattern will remain as same. And now paper pattern I have covered: exam paper, suggested answer, exam online offline, re-verification, study material. And now what about the important aspect for those students who are eagerly want to take admission in CMA Foundation and waiting for new syllabus? So new syllabus will take some more time, but yes, institute officials are working on this. They are receiving the input from all the industries. If you are talking about manufacturing industries, service industries, corporate, they are receiving all the input, which kind of knowledge they want from the professional for which they are hiring those students. So yes, institute will make such kind of syllabus, so that each and every aspect student will understand during his study from foundation to final. So hope you understand each and every point. These are the crux of today's session. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you, okay. So my suggestion to you, do not wait for the exam form, but if you are facing the problem, I can assure you that yes, exam form date will extend, but those who can generally fill the exam form, so do not worry about just fill the exam form. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me, but continue your study. Bye guys.